I wanna know. I wanna know. Would you love me better if I could? I wanna know. Would you love me better if I could? I wanna know. Would you love me better if I could?
Hey guys, Trent Tate with Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham. Just wanted to reach out to you with one of my favorite new products in our portfolio. They redesigned the 2024 E-Class this year, and not long ago they released the 350 and 450 variants of this model. And I have a loaded up E350 4MATIC here behind me in a new manufacturer Alpine gray color. So I just wanted to kind of run around the vehicle, show you everything that's new on this all new E-Class, and get you a little bit more information. There we go. This is the all new 2024 E350 4MATIC. That is an Alpine manufacturer Alpine gray exterior color, which was new for the E-Class this year. This specific model has also got your AMG line, which is going to be standard on the new E-Class, so no additional upcharge for AMG lines. This one does have the additional night package option, which is going to delete the chrome trim around the front, replaces it with a nice glossy black trim, as you'll see here around the windows. Also opens you up for the option of the blacked out 20-inch multi-spoke wheel, as you'll see there. Under the hood, Mercedes-Benz is using a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo engine with the addition of a mild hybrid system in the form of a 48-volt battery. It virtually has eliminated the turbo lag often associated with these 4-cylinder turbos. Vehicle's very peppy, got plenty of power. You're also going to pick up an additional 23 horsepower due to that additional 48-volt battery, which translates to 151 pounds of torque. The digital headlights that are on this specific E350 are digital lighting. Digital lights are one of the coolest new features in our arsenal of options, in my opinion. It's not only a high performance LED, but it's basically a smart light that adapts with the topography of what's in front of you. It has the ability to put projections on the road in front of you, also with entry and exit light shows. Mercedes-Benz has made the decision to make all new E-Classes 4MATIC this year. I think it's a great move. That gives you all-wheel drive support, which is going to be better for your traction control. This vehicle does work off of a 9G Tronic transmission and will have rear axle steering available. Inside the cab of the new E-Class is where most of my favorite new upgrades are found. You're going to get the latest 3rd generation of our MBUX system and an all-new screen size, which really fills out the standard build of the E-Class. There is an available super screen option in our E-Class this year, which mimics our hyper screen that we launched with our EQ product less than a year and a half ago. So lots of different tech options for you. Let me turn this camera around to tell you a little bit more about them. So the fit and finish looks great in the E-Class. You can see here on the dash a much wider, larger standard display screen. This is going to be the standard no upgrade E-Class display system. The super screen would add the whole front dash here would be glass, so you'd have a total of 3 different displays in the models equipped with the super screen. This one here does use our zero layer technology, which is basically AI that will make recommendations based upon how you use the vehicle after it gets that data. And then you'll have native different sub menus available by pressing the home button here. You do have your own browser that you can watch and stream video on while in park. The customers that opt for the Super Screen will give the additional option for the passenger to stream video, but it will have to detect the passenger in the passenger seat for your streaming. But great concept, great design, and great fit and finish in the new E-Class. The navigation system itself is also a fantastic Navi, head-to-toe design by Garmin. It will offer free updates through our Mercedes Me Connect store. It is all voice activated. Our voice software is second to none in my opinion in this industry. You can search by point of interest, favorites, home, work. You can make those into an address book, and it's all very easy and functional. Your left side digital instrument cluster is also interchangeable. You can put different screen elements up there. This is your sport readout right here. You can go into your home menu on your left side of your steering wheel and go between a classic view style, a full screen navigation option, assistance, which will house all your assistance information while on the road, show you the cars around you, put navigation information up on the display if you have a Navi address in. Everything coincides and is at easy access off of your left steering wheel. The new capacitive touch steering wheel, you'll notice, has no more buttons. It does sense swipes, button presses. You'll have the home, the back buttons on each side. The right side steering wheel will control your right-hand display here, whereas your left side display will be controlled by your left side of your steering wheel, along with your driver's assist functionality, where you can turn that on and off, adjust distance pace for your adaptive cruise, resume, cancel, and set and decelerate and accelerate from your left side there. So many cool new features are available in the new E-Class. I couldn't cover them all in this one video. Things like the all-new digital key option that you can execute through Mercedes Me Connect, Airmatic being available on a 350 for the first time, and even things like the 4D surround sound with Dolby Atmos. All really cool. I know you're going to love all this stuff. I'll try and do some separate videos in the future to really zone in on some of these different available packages, which will carry through E-Class, S-Class, a lot of our different model lines for you in the future.
I wanna know, would you love me better if I would you love me better if I could?
there you go. That E-Class sedan is sure to make a splash in that midsize sedan segment in the Highline automobiles available for 2024. If you would like any additional information, please don't hesitate to contact me direct at 205-504-2358. Check me out online at themercedesguy.com or visit me on all my socials at MercedesGuy205. Really appreciate you guys sticking around for the whole video, and I can make you this personal guarantee: when you're dealing with Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham, expect excellence.